Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Fall is the perfect time to give your garden a second wind. In this video, I share my must-tend tips to ensure your garden is bursting with life this season. Choose the right crops. Focus on cool season vegetables like kale, spinach, lettuce, broccoli, as well as root vegetables like turnips, radishes, and carrots. Start transplants indoors. One way to get a head start on your fall garden is to start your seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before transplanting them to protect them from pests and harsh summer conditions. I also started some of my seeds indoors hydroponically. Some seeds are safe to start directly outdoors. Just be sure to use garden netting because, again, your seedlings will be fighting against pests and harsh summer conditions. Prepare the soil. Amend your garden beds with compost or manure to improve drainage and add nutrients to your soil. Mulch your garden. Apply a layer of mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and insulate plants from temperature fluctuations. Protect your plants from frost. Use row covers or cold frames to shield tender plants from early frost and extend the growing season. Plant spring bulbs. Fall is a great time to plant spring blooming bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths to enjoy a colorful display in the spring. Gather seeds. Collect seeds from your favorite summer vegetables for planting next year or for trading with other gardeners. Clean up your garden. Remove spent plants, debris, and any diseased foliage to prevent the spread of disease and pests. Water consistently. Maintain consistent moisture levels, especially for newly planted crops. Number 10, prepare for winter. It'll be here before we know it. Consider adding a layer of mulch or compost to protect your plants during the winter months. Imagine enjoying fresh greens and root vegetables well into winter. Follow these top 10 fall gardening tips for success. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.